guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island. I'm stuck with you and we are always smiling. Yo, that food that I had on the last vlog, yo, met expectations 100%. But anyway, this is where I'm at. Dash last week, I didn't get to show you guys right off here. It's off Hagley Park Road. Anyone who's Jamaican, you'll know, like Hagley Park Road got like some of the most what you call it, like the car dealerships and a lot of auto parts places. So this is where we're pretty much at right now. And yeah, I'm gonna go in there to do some hair removal and it's gonna be crazy. Yeah, I need the information. Tell me where this place at, man. Yeah.
And you go down on the road, they're right on the side. I want to look like you see one of them fence here, but
yeah.
You can't, you got the crowd.
So what kind of food? Them just sell like just
them have only curry and Scooby and red peas.
But them food mad. Yeah, like as I always try to tell you guys, like some of the place them, the best food place them, it's not like the uptown kind of thing where it's like, no, it's like the real street food, bro. One of my cousins sent me this link to this place, it's called Street Food Saturdays. That I want to take in the guys, because remember them food there, like where I just went a while ago, it's simple. Just really simple. The food meet my expectations. It's really good.
Instead of food meat.
Yeah man, the food, yeah man, a good man. It cost like what, 5 bills? Or 5.20 for everything? Just fried chicken, curry gravy. Typical Jamaican yard man. Yeah, typical yard man.
Yeah, curry was 2 beef and fried chicken.
And some orange juice. Alright guys, so I'm about to go do my thing right now. Yeah, I had to take off my shirt, get really personal. And I'm here to do a wax. That's what I'm here to do today. Get myself a little wax. Underarms. I was about to add. Man, look at that.
Laugh with you.
Eh?
I laugh with you.
Why?
That's my favorite line to say. I laugh with you. Everybody say, why do you say that? I don't know.
Yo. So guys, true story. Like I remember when I was in like high school, right? You know, you just started growing your hair under your arms and stuff. And like for me, that was like a completely manly thing. Like I was like, yeah, I got hair under my arms. You
come for waxing, but things say you wax. You never waxed your first time?
Yeah, my first time.
No,
like,
virgin.
Usually, like I'll let it grow to probably like this length, then I'll just shave it because I don't like hair under my arms. Cause you know, start sweating and it have that smell. Like I don't like that. Feel me? So
yeah, hair carry smell.
Exactly, that's why I shave. So like, I remember I was on this bus with one of my high school friends. Like them time they like we normally have on like Marina. Okay, I try to show a little muscle man.
Somewhere and then put a arm.
Show a little muscle man.
Put your arm around your head.
Oh my
like
god.
That.
Like this?
Yeah, like that. Clean it up.
So I can't move.
I'm gonna have to shave it down, cut it down, so
okay.
Trim it down.
So like I remember now like you know, I have a marina and thing. I was serious, I'm like here and then my arm I gonna be like a mad thing. Luckily one of my friends, he decided to put his hands like around this other girl. I remember this girl up on the bus shaming me now. That girl I say, oh look how under your arm just curl up. And like when you hear curl up under the arm.
Roll up.
Oh
and
my
then
god.
Roll on and then sometimes each up in it.
Bro, that same day was gonna be hard. I'm gonna deal with it. I was like, nope. I ain't gonna have that.
Insecurity is a wicked thing, though.
Trust me.
It's an insecurity. What do you call it?
Embarrassment, maybe?
Yeah, embarrassment, all of that.
Trust me. Guys, I'm low-key nervous.
I'm so.
I feel like when I hang chicken, like you know, say this is it. Like when they hang chicken, and like you know,
hang
like
chicken?
Yeah, like when they're about to cut the neck.
Oh.
And like, yo, this is about to be it. Does it hurt? Be honest, man.
Me? I mean, all depends on what you call pain. What kind of pain level you can endure. But if you can do extraction and you know, down in your face with the iron, so it's a 1, 2, 3 pain, surprising.
Alright.
You know, say when you come waxing, You want to make sure it's setting it too high. The longer it is, the more painful.
Yeah, that's true. So question, like you do like bikini waxes and all those stuff? Like you wax?
I do bikini, but I don't do Brazilian. I can't take everything exposed to me.
Oh my gosh. Why?
I don't want to see all of that.
Like hello.
Like hello.
That's weird.
I don't want everything to be exposed.
Yeah, some people are coming up without come with them. You want to go into it. Yeah.
Well, that isn't enough. Right there is enough. People are coming with them things. Not ready.
She made ready.
Raw chicken. Serve your raw chicken.
She wasn't ready.
So I put some powder on there so it's not too, you know, don't bruise you.
She about to bruise me, you hear that? Okay. So I made sure that I strap the camera to my hand, you know, just in case I'm shaking stuff. Ooh. Luckily, guys, she was very sociable. Like I could talk to her, so it doesn't feel like so impersonal. Where I think the person might not really care at all. Do you care at all?
About what? You with the camera?
About my pain?
Oh no, I don't care. Why would I care? I'm not feeling it.
Oh snap!
I just make sure I try to make it not as painful.
Cool.
You come for the pain, you know. Me can't help it.
Oh, question. What is that mixture? Is that honey?
Yeah, it's honey.
Just warm honey.
Yeah, warm honey.
Yeah, I think my girlfriend was telling me once that it's just warm.
It's hot?
It's okay, just do your thing, baby. Oh my gosh. Yeah, she was telling me like it's honey, but it's just like the cloth that does the tearing. That's the.
It's just one level, and I don't re-dip. Re-dipping is like bacteria.
Okay, cool. So you change the sticks all the time?
Yeah. This is the part that I just used. So I'll just break it off and I use this additional part. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah, try conserving, I'll try.
Makes sense.
Yeah. And then you go one direction.
Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god.
So basically you gotta make your arm as tight as possible.
You tight? Oh gosh. If my first I better like that.
Yep. It's not that bad.
Wow.
Feel a heartbeat through your arm. I'm sorry, I didn't prepare you. I said, you know, I can't really too, you know?
Yeah, buddy. Wow. How can I express it? It's like it's painful,
but it does instantly and it go away.
Yeah, and I like the fact that she put her hand over it.
Right away, instantly.
Yeah, it kind of chill it a bit. It was painful, but yeah, it's not like.
And get a little bruise and pull out the ear then.
That's cool. It's payback. Oh wow, guys, that was an experience.
Would you do it again? I'm still 1 to 10.
I would do it again. Maybe an 8.
8?
As in 8, as in I'm sure that I would do it again. To 8. Wow, guys. Oh, I got a bruise. Look at that.
Yeah. And the level at the height that you hear.
Oh, it's too long.
It's not. It's warm.
No, it's alright.
It's a tickle. Oh, your tickle arm.
Yeah.
Okay. I see why.
Like my skin, ask any girl that's hugged me. I got nice skin. They like hugging me. So my skin is kind of soft. My skin is kind of soft. Oh shit.
Why I tremble?
The coat I came to them back in the day. Can you imagine them get whipping them back? Jesus.
Slave ship on Jamaica. I have the body set of slave them.
Oh my gosh. Cee Camera. Cee Camera.
You ever watch this movie called Queen Sugar?
Mm-mm.
Oprah kind of executive produced it. Yeah, I'm hooked on that movie. There's some sugar thing, some, you know, show you how white people take over the sugar industry. And you know, this one black lady, she decided that she want to open her own sugar mill. It's really good. And I promote Oprah channel. I just become like it.
They listening, but I'm not listening to that story at all. I will listen to that story in the editing because I'm just focused on this whole.
Alright then. Lord God, you ever see one dog cold yet when the water wet him?
Yeah.
Alright, 1, 2, 3. Oh, Jesus, the one thing look like one baby cry.
Look at my toes. Look at
Two of them curl up.
Yo.
Oh,
okay, I think my scale dropped. It's no longer 8. It's like a 7.
It's like a 7.
It's like a 7 down.
Oh my. Oh.
I think it will go back up based on the results because I normally shave my arm.
This takes a longer time to grow
So
back,
if I realize that it takes a longer time, then I will do it again.
Boy, I can't feel it.
I know, I told him incredible here now. Let me not love how I go, Jesus. And girl that I love. Don't curl up. Oh my gosh. Can I just do like just one arm? It's like a style?
But not is that painful? Oh,
no, it's not that painful.
Yeah, try to be good for the camera. I see you. I feel your fear.
My hands are tired right now. I'm gonna put this down. So my there, so I think say the arm are done. She have a next side over there, so.
Yeah, and your arm bit long enough.
Why my arm up so long?
Yo, you're really opposite with this.
Yes, I wonder why from your arm up so long.
Awesome.
Jesus.
All is well. This is about to be finished.
I know. I believe it. Oops. Jesus Christ.
1, 2, 3. Good boy.
Alright.
1, 2, 3.
Yo. If you've never gotten your arms or anywhere waxed, try it. It's an experience. At least you can have something to tell your kids.
Alright, so I'm just gonna move with some oil.
Oh, yeah.
Extra.
Babe, the time when you go wax your legs for me. So your legs look well for me. I appreciate it here. I understand. Forgive, thanks. The big man thing I know something what woman do, you know. Feel look good for man, you know.
Can you imagine down there?
I just in yeah. I didn't take notice.
I still not even get off when I go again, but boy, the fear I feel.
You don't go it have to go again?
I want it clean like a baby bottom. I want it like baby bottom.
Okay, I guess yeah, you can go again.
So I get off all of the excess.
I'm not gonna stop if you did that say here. Alright guys, so we just pretty much did like the second pass. And look at that. Oh, it's pretty nice. What I can say though for my reaction basically, like after the first 2 times, like it became like less painful. So yeah. And I'm pretty happy with the results. What you guys think? She had fun with it though. So guys, yo, that was a hell of an experience. It's something that was pretty interesting. Big up the owner, Dash Lashes. Amazing experience, great customer service. And we out. Remember these 3 things, guys: love, nature, adaptation. And always remember, keep the link.
All I am is a man. I want the world in my hands. I hate the beach, but I stand in California with my toes in